I have helped hundreds of first-time home buyers, and I always make sure they're getting the most out of their hard-earned dollar as much as possible. Tip number 1, work on your credit. Look, the higher your credit score, the lower of the interest rate. Don't get rushed and buy a home immediately. Get your credit report first and work on it to improve your score. Look, most people can save thousands in monthly payments just by working on their score for a month. Tip number 2, work with a real estate agent. Look, working with a real estate agent as a buyer doesn't cost you anything. Look, an experienced agent in your area will know if homes are priced properly or if there are better and cheaper alternatives to what you want to buy. An added benefit is they can save a lot of time and hassle in buying your home, as they're the ones who negotiate and find better deals for you. So never buy a house without help from a real estate agent. If you want to learn more about tips in buying your home, improving your credit score, or getting started in the real estate industry, follow for more content like these.